Hey guys, I'm Mark, and today on Ventrac in Action, we're going to be showing you the SSV. So today we're working with our dealer up in Buffalo, New York, and they're doing a demo with a potential SSV customer. Now, take note when you're watching this that this is the guy's first time operating the SSV. The salesman's going to be explaining how to operate, so it's going to be a little bit of a different video shoot for you guys to see, but it should give you a good idea on how the Ventrac actually works for new customers. So we're here at the Paddock Chevy Golf Dome in Buffalo, New York. They have a restaurant, they have some batting cages. They do have an indoor driving range, but today we're stuck outside. We're expecting about 3 to 5 inches of snow today, and the temperature is right about 15 degrees, so it's actually really nice for working with the Broom. Now these guys, they are already a Ventrac customer. They have a 4500, but there are a couple areas on site where they're not able to get bigger pieces of equipment, so they're trying out the SSV for some specialty areas.
You got the 18.5 cowie in there, but your controls are easy. Your fuses are here. You got your battery right there, easy to get to. A lot of cheat sheets here. It's here, but we have a drop salter between 80 and 100 pounds. Okay. The salt there, you know, it's going to be that 34-inch drop. We have a controller up here with 5.
Any quick thoughts on the product?
Very nice product. I would definitely recommend it for dome issues.
So what are some of the issues you have?
The sidewalks, as far as getting out there more frequently and keeping them clear and salted for that matter, and in the tight areas that we have with the dome.
So guys, now we're at the second demo location. As you can see, this is kind of a business office complex area, and they have lots of narrow sidewalks. It's only 3 to 5 inches today, so people are still coming to work, and so it's very important for them to maintain these sidewalks with as little snow as possible on the ground.
pretty real maneuverable, I gotta say, for going around turns and like going around cars and stuff.
It was fairly easy to operate on?
Yeah, just like operating a zero turn. A lot better for cutting down on time. I mean, you're doing two things at once instead of shoveling first and then coming back and having to salt it.
Guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and that way you can stay up to date on Ventrac equipment as well as the next location I end up in. See ya. Hey guys, we just finished getting shots of the SSV in Buffalo and we're on our way home now. If this is your first time watching the SSV in action, we also have a blade as well as a snowblower. We did a couple video shoots earlier this year with those attachments, so we'll go ahead and show you those now.